Okay, so I'm going to be doing a sample question on to determine the true shape of S using auxiliary views. So it's just an example now that I'm going to throw into my principal sheet. So I have my elevation and my plan here, and we're going to try to find S. So I just have a rough sketch, a 3D sketch of the object. So we are going to be looking at this side of the object. So I'll pretend we just draw a stick man, just pretend we're looking straight in at that side. So in order to be looking in at that side, we are going at this angle because it's flat this side. So we're going to be drawing our X and Y line. Sorry, no. Draw our X and Y line here. So that's X, that's Y. So if we're going at this angle for X and Y line, we're obviously going to be going perpendicular to it. This side. Okay. So all our lines are going to be coming up at this angle because it's perpendicular to this side, to this X, Y, and Y line. So we're going to bring our lines up. Now, to find the shape or find the angle we're looking at, we must get our heights from this side here. So we're getting our heights from the elevation, which is here. So for this, which pretend now this is S looking inside here. So we're going to be looking for H1 here now. H1, height 1. This is going to be our H1 here. So we're going to come along with our compass. We're going to measure at the elevation. We're going to mark it off the X1 line here. So that's going to be our first line of our auxiliary view. Looking at our auxiliary view. That's our first height. Now we'll look at H2, which is from this point. Sorry, no, I'm kind of all over the place here. My drawing is not accurate. So that's H2, and H2 is going to be determined at here. Where are we getting our height? We're getting our height from the elevation again, from H2, which is here. We're going to mark it off here. Sorry, no. I'll just line up. No, it's going to be our height for H2. So, okay. So. Now, same thing for this line here. So for this point here is going to be this point here and there. So the height for that is inside the elevation again, the same height as H1. So we're going to come down with our compass again. Right there. And our height is going to be here, as well as our point here. Why? Because they're the same height you can see in your elevation. So we're going to join these all together because they're all the same height, which is H1. And now we're going to determine our height here, which is the same as h2. As you can see here. No, we're halfway there. So read the question again. It says to find the true shape of S. So when finding S, so this is going to be S here. Okay. Why? Because if you're looking at this side, if you're looking at auxiliary view from this side, you see that's going to be S here. So this is going to be heavy here again because it's heavy there. And heavy again there. No. We haven't brought up this point yet. This is going to be our back piece, our front piece here. That is going to be the same height. Sorry, no. It'll be the same height as H2. Sorry about the shape now. Sorry, kind of a rough work. Now, some people might think we're done at this stage, but there's going to be hidden detail at the very back of the actual object that is here. Okay, so this point here, there's going to be hidden detail. So our hidden detail line, which will be basically it.